Here, we teach the art and science of true quality welding, preparing students for exciting careers in construction and manufacturing. Whether you're working on structural steel or intricate pipe welds, we provide the skills you need to succeed. Our comprehensive welding program covers a wide range of essential topics, starting with welding theory and safety. We also dive into important skills such as blueprint reading, welding symbols, and codes. The mastery of these skills is essential for fabricating strong, reliable structures. Students will gain hands-on experience with multiple welding processes, including shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux-cored metal arc welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. Understanding these techniques is critical to high-quality, precision welding jobs. With the skills they develop, prepare students for a wide variety of welding occupations, ensuring they are ready for high-quality jobs in the field. At EOC Tech, we equip you with the knowledge and practical experience to excel in the welding industry. Join us and spark your career in welding. Apply today and weld your future with us.